Hello, beautiful people. Yoga is a practice for everyone. It's about connecting your body and mind. Yoga uses movement and breath. It can help you feel stronger and calmer. Yoga is like a moving meditation. It helps you focus on the present moment. This can be very helpful in our busy lives. You can practice yoga anywhere, anytime. Yoga is for all levels, from beginners to advanced. Don't worry if you're just starting out. There are many easy poses to learn. Let's explore how yoga can help you on your wellness journey. Many people hold tension in their belly. Yoga can help you release this tension. Certain yoga poses massage your digestive system. This can help improve digestion and reduce bloating. Yoga also helps build core strength. A strong core supports your spine and improves posture. This can make your tummy look flatter. Remember, yoga is not just about physical appearance. Yoga is about feeling good from the inside out. It helps you develop a positive relationship with your body. When you feel good, you naturally make healthier choices. Let's look at some beginner-friendly poses. These poses can help you begin your belly fat reduction journey. 1. Cat-cow pose, Vitalasana Marjaryasana. This gentle flow warms the spine and massages the belly. Start on your hands and knees. Inhale, drop your belly and look up, cow pose. This helps to stretch the abdominal muscles. Exhale, round your spine towards the ceiling, cat pose. This action engages the core muscles. Repeat 5 to 10 times. This sequence improves flexibility and stimulates digestion. 2. Boat pose, Paripurna Navasana. This pose strengthens the core muscles. Sit on your mat with knees bent and feet flat. Lean back slightly and lift your feet off the floor, balancing on your sit bones. Engage your core to maintain balance. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths. This pose targets the lower belly and helps in toning the abdominal area. 3. Plank pose, Phalakasana. Plank strengthens your entire core. Start on your hands and knees. Step back one leg at a time, keeping your body in a straight line. Ensure your wrists are directly under your shoulders. Hold for 30 seconds to a minute. This pose not only strengthens the core, but also improves posture and balance. 4. Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. This pose stretches the front of your body and strengthens your back. Lie on your stomach with hands under your shoulders. Inhale and lift your chest off the ground, keeping your hips and legs grounded. This helps to open up the chest and improve lung capacity. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds. This pose also stimulates the abdominal organs, aiding in digestion. 5. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. This pose stretches the entire body and calms the mind. Start on your hands and knees. Lift your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape. This pose helps to lengthen the spine and strengthen the core. Hold for a minute or longer. This pose also improves circulation and relieves stress. Practice these poses 3 to 4 times per week. Consistency will help you see results faster. Remember to breathe deeply throughout each pose. Deep breathing enhances the benefits of each pose. Consistency is key with yoga. Regular practice will help you achieve your fitness goals. You don't have to practice for hours to see results. Short, consistent sessions are effective. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a difference. Start small and build up your practice over time. Yoga is a wonderful tool for overall well-being. It can help you feel stronger, calmer, and more connected to your body. Remember to listen to your body and go at your own pace. Yoga is not a quick fix. It's about making sustainable lifestyle changes. Combining regular yoga practice with a balanced diet can lead to amazing results. Most importantly, enjoy the journey. Yoga is about feeling good inside and out. Namaste.